Only driving the boat is about 30% of the job. Always do a pre-flight. Always inspect everything before you even leave the dock. Actually piloting the boat is a small part. You gotta take care of it. After driving from Florida all the way up here, and we rinse this and wash this every single day, but that coating builds up and it builds up, so then you gotta give it a really good final wash. I guess if I keep touching it and cleaning it, then I can still be a part of it today. But I know once she's all cleaned up and she's wrapped up and locked up, then I get to walk away. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is David Wilkes, and thanks for checking out this Kraken 52. If you've seen our past videos or you just found this one, check out the whole last week's journey from South Florida all the way up the East Coast, stopping at some of the most amazing places along the way with this incredible boat. Mostly my comments are about how insanely amazing this boat really is. But let me walk through it. This is hull number one. This is the prototype to prove the concept. So it's not a fit and finish boat like everything else. So let me just go over the details of where everything's gonna expand off this platform, because it's absolutely amazing. This is the flybridge, and there's 6 coupes coming, which don't have the flybridge, which I'm assuming those things are gonna go about 80 miles an hour, because this one goes 65. Any day, loaded down, full of fuel, hold on. This is the Kraken. Now this was probably better shown while we were in Florida when we had really, really clean water, but a lot of people ask me when I'm docking the boat, do you have bow thrusters on a Cat? Because they can't believe how well this thing maneuvers. Well, when you have 18 feet of beam and 2,400 horsepower, you don't need bow thrusters. Plus, where would you put it? This boat has a 22-inch draft. The bow thruster would be just shooting air and spitting water. It's not gonna help you on this boat. The best thing I can share with you is incredible design. Absolutely incredible design. It has a very, very, very gentle entry, and speed is the key. When you're on 8 to 10 foot seas and they're really nasty, speed is the key. Trim her up, use that massive horsepower, and let that incredible bow knife its way through every wave. That's the beautiful part about it. One of the great designs of this boat is being able to control your ballast and control your weight, both in fuel and in water tanks. We have 2 large water tanks in each sponson in the front of the boat. But this is also an area that has full cushions that make this an incredible place to lay if you're slow cruising. You can see there's a forward cushion area as well. We've removed those cushions. Again, there's speakers everywhere. This boat, when you crank it up, it's built for sound. Crazy, crazy sound. All right, from up here, you're 20 feet in the air. Incredible view of your surroundings. Makes it really easy to navigate the docks, get around marinas, cruise up and down the ICW. Flying from up here was just incredible. I'm standing in a space that would typically be cushions everywhere. Another great place if you're slow cruising to just chill out and enjoy this boat. Up here is the upper helm stations. Most boats, when they build a flybridge, they go with smaller screens and they just kind of skimp out. Not on the Kraken. We've got 3 large screens, touch screens. They're amazing. Absolutely relay all the data that you need from the engines, dual charts. You can multimedia. Everything that you need to have on a boat is right up here. You got your engine data, you got your C zones, you got your controls, zip wakes, and your joystick control. Everything's real easy. If you'll note that this side is on the port side and the other side, so if you're docking from either port or starboard side, you can alter where you want to do that from, and it gives you a good line of sight of the dock as you're approaching the dock from either position. All right, so join me with a quick tour of the inside. Understand this is the one of one proof of concept prototype boat. First thing you got to know is look at the space that's inside here. Sure, you could build a kitchen, you can do whatever you want. There's a lot of space here to do that with it. But also note, I got pots, pans, stuff laying up here, 2 baskets full of the coffee maker stuff, and literally none of this is moved. We're in 8 to 12 foot seas. Nothing up here came down. Nothing fell. Nothing moved whatsoever. It's just a testament to how the incredible stability of this boat is, or how incredible the stability of this boat is. A great little daybed area just to chill there. Amazing screens, everything that you need is right here. Not a bad top speed. Now I'm sure it's taken that total average. That total average is over the 4,700 miles that's been put on this boat. So when I can say it's a proof of concept, this boat has been through its paces, and it is absolutely insane. We've got this amazing Victron energy system here. Shows we're getting 148, 49 watts just from the solar charge right now. There's nothing coming in from the shore power because the batteries are already topped off where they need to be. We're getting some solar power, and it's giving us 149 watts right there. Not even using the shore power right now. This boat has 4 staterooms. When it's configured probably as a coupe for a customer, this boat can be configured in any way that you want. You can have one big VIP on one side, and you can have a guest quarters and a captain's quarters on the other. Right now, the configuration on this boat is 4 different bedrooms and then 2 bathrooms. Did I say we have power for the stereo? Lots of power. You got a boat that has 2,400 horsepower, you gotta have at least 6,000 watts of power, and I think that's what we have in there. There's 6 of those amps, they're 1,000 watts each. Yeah, there's a lot of power on this boat. So there you have it. The DSK, Deep Sea Kraken, 52 Kraken, super, because it's got the flybridge. Like I said, this is one of one. It's proof of concept. When Mike designed this boat, he had an idea, and he made an idea happen.
You know, I'd farm the idea around to a bunch of manufacturers domestically, and they're just so busy. They didn't see the vision that I saw. And so once again, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna do it myself.
I've been on luxury boats, I've been on sketchy boats, and this is the most capable boat I've ever been on. Not once did I go out in the seas and see the seas change and I was worried about the boat. Not once was there ever a point in time, when I say worried about the boat, that the boat would fail. Learning about Mike and his passion and Jeff and how they work together, that there was absolutely no way that there would be a vessel that they could build that would be not built to 300% to operate within 100%. I mean, you just look at everything they do and it's amazing. This boat takes all of his passion of boating from being a kid to an adult and puts it into one platform, so you can enjoy the speed, you can enjoy the thrill, you can enjoy the safety, you can enjoy the utility of this boat. The Mercury V12 600s don't disappoint. When I tell you this boat can be on plane in less than 2 boat lengths, it's not a lie. 2,400 horsepower, more economical than a 420 Boston Whaler with quad 350. That's saying a lot. And you can do it in less than 3-foot draft. My name is David Wilkes. Thank you for watching this video. If you've got any questions, I'll put a link in the description of this video how you can contact me. If you're seriously interested about buying this boat, this particular boat, I will have this boat available in August to September of this year, maybe a little bit later. It depends on how our rollout goes on the coupe. This boat will be available for sale and at a price point where I can configure this boat any way that you want, for any type of use of you want. If you want to set up for luxury appointments, if you want to set up for fishing, I would set it up for fishing. Even though I don't fish, this thing's a monster. You want to go to the canyons, you want to get there, you want to go to the Bahamas, this boat is a beast. Get in touch with me, let me know if you're interested, and I'll put together an idea that might work for the both of us. Have a blessed day. Thank you very much. I'm kind of sad to leave, because now we got to catch our Uber and go to the airport and go back to sunny Florida. Doing my own selfie swag tag. Here we go, right here at the dock. Now I got to get an Uber for an hour. I don't want to do that. Sit at the airport for 6 hours. Yeah, I can do that. Bye, Kraken.